30 years ago, the BBC's Tomorrow's World brought together some of the brightest minds on the planet for a bold mission: to imagine what the year 2025 might look like. Renowned scientists, engineers, and even futurists joined the special, sharing their predictions. Among the guests was none other than Stephen Hawking, whose unparalleled genius helped shape discussions about artificial intelligence, medical breakthroughs, and space exploration. It was a time when technology was taking its first big leaps, and these visionaries dared to dream big. The result? A mix of fascinating predictions, some eerily close to reality, others straight out of a sci-fi movie. But did the future turn out to be as surprising as they envisioned? Get ready to take a trip down memory lane, revisiting ideas that pushed the boundaries of possibility, and seeing just how many of them became our reality. Futuristic surgeries. Robots in the operating room. Picture this: a surgeon miles away controlling a robot performing surgery on you. Sounds like a scene from a movie, right? Back in 1995, this was their vision for 2025. Fast forward to today, and robots are already assisting in complex surgeries, offering unmatched precision and reduced risks. The part about holographic doctors might still be fiction, but we've gotten pretty close, haven't we? Would you trust a robot to perform surgery on you? Let us know in the comments. Hackers and digital chaos, a rebellious cyberspace. When the internet was still in its infancy, these visionaries predicted that banks and corporations would dominate the web, creating a controlled supernet. This, in turn, would spark digital revolts. Sound familiar? While their exact scenario didn't play out, hackers, including those backed by governments, are now a real force to reckon with. And let's not forget cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which arose from a growing distrust of traditional banks. They didn't hit every mark, but they weren't too far off either. Mining asteroids and tackling space junk. Let's mine asteroids and solve the space junk problem with a miracle gel. Ambitious, right? Well, the gel hasn't left the drawing board, but space junk is a very real issue. As for mining beyond Earth, companies are already making strides to turn this sci-fi dream into a reality. Who knows? Maybe in a few years, asteroids will be the new gold mines. Smart speakers. With floating heads? Think Alexa is futuristic? Back in 1995, they envisioned holographic assistants with floating heads that could talk to you. We're not there yet, but virtual reality and holograms are quickly becoming part of our daily lives. What do you think? Would a holographic Alexa be amazing or just plain creepy? Restored nature and the return of the grizzly bear. One bold prediction was that by 2025, genetic engineering would restore forests and even bring back extinct animals, like the grizzly bear. Sounds incredible, right? While we're still far from that, there's no denying the rise in environmental awareness. People today are more committed than ever to shaping a future where nature and technology coexist. Paying with your face? Yep, they saw it coming. These days, we pay with our phones, smartwatches, or even just a glance. But in 1995, the idea of human-free banks and microchip payments was the stuff of science fiction. They nailed it. Now the real question is, what will money look like 30 years from now? What can we learn by looking back? Stephen Hawking summed it up perfectly. Some changes are exciting, others are frightening. The only certainty is that the future will be very different and probably not what we expect. So, what do you think of these predictions? Were they spot on, way off, or just a glimpse of what could have been? If you enjoyed this journey through the past, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more incredible stories about our world. And of course, let us know in the comments. What do you imagine for the next 30 years? Let's share ideas.